In this short video, we'd like to take a moment to discuss the value of our certificates. The value of a certificate depends on two factors. One factor is the formal certifications and accreditations the certifying party has received from other institutes of quality. The other factor is the certifying party's brand recognition. The company's brand value and trustworthiness speak volumes about the value of its certificates. The Lean Six Sigma company's brand recognition stems from having successfully trained over 25,000 professionals, having served over 4,000 businesses, being active in over 15 countries, in more than 10 languages, collaborating with 8 universities across the globe, and having nearly 2 decades of experience in effective knowledge transfer. The Lean Six Sigma company also enjoys multiple certifications and accreditations from renowned institutes of quality and standardization. The foremost of these are the ISO 13053 and ISO 18404 certifications, which attest that the Lean Six Sigma tools and skills taught in our courses are in line with international standards set forth by the International Organization for Standardization. The courses that have been officially certified according to these international standards are as follows: the Lean Practitioner, Lean Leader, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, Lean Expert, and Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt. The Lean Six Sigma company believes that success is supported by 4 categories of quality and prides itself on its numerous certifications and accreditations on these areas. These are content, namely the quality of the knowledge and skills that are taught; education, the level and effectivity of knowledge transfer; processes, having a sound quality management system and efficient organizational processes; and finally, customers, providing the services that the customers want and exceeding their expectations in doing so. The Lean Six Sigma company's formula to success and a driving factor behind the value of our certificates is our formula of providing stellar content, knowledge transfer, and quality management, with the goal of achieving the highest possible in customer satisfaction. To us, quality is everything. The Lean Six Sigma company, inspiring quality.